Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello sir, my name is Trisni Clara, and in this video I want to make a presentation video to talk about what I get when I read the story of the nature of human language. We are intimately familiar with at least one language, it's our own language, and knowing a language, it means knowing its words. And therefore, in language, we have words. Knowledge of word is knowing the sound to know that certain sound sequences signify certain concept or meanings. A language consists of these sentences as well as words. When we talk about human language, we are referring to our understanding of words, sign language, and our ability to create and understand of sentences, and also the concept of a grammar. Our language ability involves to knowing sound or meaning of word in spoken and sign language. If we know a language, we understand its words. Without this understanding, sentences will be hard to understand. Not every speaker can create great literature, but those who know a language can create new sentences when they speak and understand new ones from the others. Our creativity is not just seen in what we say, but also in how we understand of new sentences. And we also have the ability to form longer sentences by joining phrases or adding information to a noun. All the language speakers can understand or say sentences of any length. Most of our language knowledge is learned unaware, without realizing that we are learning the rules about sounds, word meanings, and also sentences construction. Descriptive grammar reflects the innate linguistic knowledge of speaker of a language. Such a grammar model represent the mental grammar known by every language speakers. A grammar that attempts to legislate what your grammar should, it's called prescriptive grammar. And teaching grammars is about written to help people learn a foreign language, or as we know, it's dialect of their own language and Sign language demonstrates that hearing or producing is not essential of learning language. And language is not about and the last, language is not about just system of communication, but and it's not about unique to humans, but human language has certain characteristic which is not found in other species communication system. One basic property of human language is the ability to combine basic units to form an unlimited well-formed sentences. Okay, sir, that's all for me. I'm sorry if I being a mistake, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.